Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Today I'm gonna presentation about all of my project from 7th until 9th. Before that, I wanna introduce myself. My name is Hatef Muniman. I'm from 90 class, and now I'm already in 9th grade, especially in 90 class. Okay, we start from the 7th grade. So, the 7th grade is my first class at junior high school after graduate from elementary school. Here, I have started studying basic IT knowledge. Okay, for the second, there is 8th grade. In 8th grade, this is the class that I probably the most colorful because here I have a lot of fun. And for the last is 9th grade. Maybe this will be our last class in junior high school. And here is the final of everything we are looking for while studying at UM. Okay, maybe we start from the 7th grade. Okay. In 7th grade, I already learned about website and game. For the website, the first website that I make in 7th grade, I already made a personal website. The second is school website, and the third is mosque website. And for game, I using Scratch software for make 2D game, and the second is Woodbox. Okay, maybe we will start from game. In game, there is a Scratch and Woodbox. You can see all of my project in 7th grade, especially from the game. Okay, for Scratch, I already make more than the Woodbox. For the first, there is a Catching Fruit, the second, Block Breaker, and the third is Jam Adab, the fourth is Ninja Fruit, the fifth Pac-Man, the sixth is Defender, and the seventh is Bomber Cat, and the last is the Defender. For the blue box, there's a jumping cube, Gambino, running ball, switching ball, and crossing road. Okay. For next, I will explain you about my website. I make 3 websites in the 7th grade. For the first, there is a personal website. The second, school website. And the third is mosque website. We will start about personal website. In my personal website, I make in WordPress at 7th grade, and this website, the function of this website for uploading all of my project from the 7th grade until 9th grade. In this website, there is a mega editor. For the first, there is home, profile, video, project, achievement, gallery, contact, and portfolio. And also there is all of my social media. If you want to see all of my project, you can open my website. For the second project or website there is school website. I make this website for my elementary school. There is an Islamic school. This is my second website project in 7th grade. And for the third, there is mosque website. I make this website mosque for Ar-Rahman. Masjid Ar-Rahman is near from my home, and I will make the website because the project and making my mosque in my near home more good. There is a veranda about agenda Salat, about Tausiah and others. And there is a schedule of Salat. Okay, we jump to the 8th grade project. In 8th grade, I learned about IoT and design. In IoT, I already learned about microbit and ESP32. And in the design, I learned about poster design, UIX design, and the last is Photopea. We start from the design. Maybe I will show the best of my poster design. Okay, so this is the like flyer for Burger King. Okay, so here is the poster that I think is the best from all of my project poster. I made this in Figma software. Uh, this poster has become one of the project of the student that I took when I did video teaching. Okay, for the next, there is UI UX design. I make some UI UX application about food delivery app, and this is UI UX design. This is one of the designers that make its group. For my group, there is myself, Azmi, Keido, Rizky, and Fanda. Here we made an application called Keido Kitchen. This application was made to make ordering food easier online, as we know, namely GoFood. On the last design, I made some in software Photoshop in website, and this is the photo manipulation project. I have edited this photo to Photopea website. Actually, in this one photo, there is a house and the forest. One photo, there is three photo combined into one. Mainly a photo of house, a photo of jungle, and the last is photo of grass. Okay, the next there is IoT project. In IoT project, I learned about two material. There is Microbit and ESP32. For the first Microbit. Okay, so here we have Microbit. This Microbit is an active brain that we can code with code software. So if you you have some tools. The name is TinyBit. If you wanna run these tools, you must code it first in MakeCode website. This tool is intended for students who want to learn about IoT. This is for the basic IoT. Okay, for the second there is ESP32. Okay, the ESP32 is same like Microbit, but this is for like a professional. You can improve your skill from Microbit to ESP32. Okay, for the last is my final project in junior high school. There is in 9th grade project. This is the last class in my junior high school. So I make more special than 7th and 8th grade. Okay. 9th grade project. In here, I learned about Android. There is two material in here. There is Android Studio and Codular. Like same like Android Studio, but more easy. Okay, we start from the Codular. Okay, I will show you two best my project in Codular. Okay, the first is there is radio online application. This is a Codular project which is, in my opinion, is the best project among the Codular application that I have made. This application will function to play audio in MP3 format. The aim of this application is to help Muslims listen to Muqarrar Al-Quran. Okay, for the next, there is a calculation application. And this is the second application that I'm making in Codular 2. In this application, we can calculate like a calculator application in general, but this application can also calculate shapes in space. Okay, we see for the next project is Android Studio. Okay, this is my first project in Android Studio. You can see here, the name is Bitaqwa App. Okay, let's move on the Android Studio software. Here I make the Bitaqwa application. This application has many features, namely sheet, prayer schedule, daily prayers, and extra. For the first, I will explain to you in this application. Maybe this project I make for 2 months or 1 month. There is a many feature. There is like doa, zikir, zakat, and other. In here there is like poster, tahajud. We can say is like inspiration. In this application, I will improve again to update again for this application, make this application more good. Okay, maybe there is question from Suresh for my project.
Okay, before you close it, could you show me your best game since 7 to 9th grade? Because you have a lot of projects, right? Which one is the best one?
Maybe I think my best project is Bitaqwa App.
Bitaqwa app.
Yeah.
Okay, what is it about?
Because I make this without like coding drag and drop. I make this with
Type coding.
I coding by myself in the software Android Studio.
Mhm.
Android Studio can make like professional application too. You can make sign Gojek and others. Because this is professional use to make some application. Okay.
What is the language to build this application?
For this project, I use Kotlin language.
Oh, Kotlin. Okay, so how long have you created this Bitaqwa app project?
1 or 2 months maybe.
Okay, so now it has finished
Yeah, very
until
much.
the end of the features.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show it on IDN Fast later?
Okay, I will show you in this.
Okay. Thank you, Pratama. So you can close it.
Okay, maybe that's all my presentation. Thank you for listening and watching my presentation. If I have some mistake, please forgive. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome to English interview as a final target of English class at 9th grade exactly. So, how's life today?
I'm pretty fine.
Pretty fine. Okay, so are you fasting today?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, yeah. So I'm asking about the question, so you have to answer it clearly about the lessons and your experience at Aden Boarding School. Okay, before that, please tell me about yourself briefly.
Okay. Introduce myself. My name is Atar Pratama Budiman, but my friend or my teacher call me Pratama or Prat. I'm from Bandung, and now I'm 14 years old.
Alright. So what is your hobby?
Maybe my hobby is only playing badminton or playing game or other.
Only that?
Yeah.
But at the time I saw you were bringing like camera. You like
Oh yeah.
taking a photo?
Photography.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah. But
Okay.
only a bit. Bit.
Little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, we jump to the next question about your IT skill before coming to IDN. Could you tell me a bit about it?
Okay, maybe before I go to the end, I only have a little bit skill from IT. I only can make a presentation in PowerPoint or in Canva, and I can make a script for learning in elementary school in Microsoft Word, and maybe I can editing in CapCut.
Okay, only that?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what is your ability during learning at IDN?
Ability.
IT, English, and Dunia.
Maybe my ability is in IT. I can improve the project that's already I make. For the example is the application in Codular. I already improved the application. For the example, in name card application, there is only the title, the profile picture, and the social media and project. I add the button in the top. After that, I change the theme in that application, and after that, I change the icon in there.
Okay. What about your English?
My English, maybe I already have a little bit improved in IDN, because in elementary school I already there's a English lesson too, but not more good in IDN.
Okay, and then Dinia?
Dunia, maybe in dunia I like to learn hadis and sirah, because in elementary school I very like hear or watching sirah.
Oh, you like history, Islamic history, exactly. Okay, so Pratama, I call you Pratama, yeah. And you said that in IT you have the project, a lot of projects,
Yeah,
right? So, what kind of game
game.
that you have created in 7th grade?
Okay, in 7th grade there is I already make 13 game, 5 from build box and 8 from scratch. In build box I make a 3D game, and in scratch I make 2D game. For the example, in scratch there's catching fruit. Catching fruit is like bowl, and apple will drop from the air, and we must catch it. We'll using a left and right arrow in your keyboard. And for the build box there is a jumping cube. I make a 3D jumping cube. You can play the jumping cube with your space button, and the example like there's a cube in here and there's a track in here, and the cube will jump if there's an obstacle in front. You can click the space and the cube will be jump. And in that game there's a coin that's rotate, and if you catch the coin you will get the point, and if you catch the obstacle you will lose.
Okay. What about build box?
That's big box.
Oh, that's called build box.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, because I don't know that. Okay, and then telling about website. How many websites have you created before?
Website is 8th grade SKL. In 8th grade I already make 3 website. For the first
8th grade or 7th grade website? Creating websites.
7th grade. 7th grade. Sorry.
7th grade.
Is next semester, in second semester.
Second semester.
I already make 3 website. The first is the elementary website, elementary school website, and then my mosque website, and the last my personal website.
Which one is still developing until now for your website?
Maybe my personal website, because my personal website I using for my portfolio. In there I uploading all my project from 7th grade until 9th grade. In there is my project from 7th grade like game, website. In 8th grade there's design, 3D printing, and IoT, and etc.
Okay, so what about designs? What kind of design that you have created?
Design, maybe there's a like banner for food like Burger King I make, and then like poster dakwah,
Yes.
and then banner and little bit banner for in my website. I make like my name and my profile and other.
Okay. So did you ever make a banner and then you give to your neighbor or society?
Oh yeah, I already make a banner for my mosque in near house.
Oh, around your house.
Yeah, around my house.
Okay.
I make for Kurban Day. I make the banner.
Okay. What about applications? How many applications that you have created?
Application maybe 5, around 6.
Mhm.
Uh,
Which one is the best? Can you tell me about maybe 2 projects?
for the first is calculation application.
Mhm.
That I make in Codular platform, and in their application I using 10 slide in there, and you can also download in Play Store. In calculation you can calculate like basic calculator, and you can calculate like this box. You can calculate the side,
Okay.
and there is so many feature in there.
Okay. So the next is about IoT project. Did you make it before?
Yeah, I already make many project in IoT, and I already joined a competition in IoT in Semarang, SRJ. I make a line follower robot, and in IDN I already make the best project is smart trash. That is, for the example, like this box is the trash bin, and if you put your foot in here, and the sensor will read your foot in front of you, and in front the trash bin, and the top of
The cover.
the cover of trash bin will be open.
Oh, so will open automatically.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So you know the name of sensor that using it?
Sensor using sensor I forget, but the front is CSP.
Okay. Is that easy or difficult to create it?
Maybe that's an easy project, and the harder project is we make like sensor for what, for plant. If you have plant, you can put the sensor in there, and then you can control the weight, or if like if the plant is dry, and the sensor will read the plant and will go to like dynamo or air pump and water pump, and water pump will give the water to the plant like that.
Okay. Do you ever become the trainer?
Oh yeah, trainer. I already trainer in IDN teaching event. I already follow IDN teaching 8 or 7 times in 4 school and 1 online. For the first school is Anal Islamic School, and the second is Al Azhar, and the third is Al Ansor, and the fourth is Kriya Sunnah, and the fifth is online. I make a like course online about Scratch. In teaching and Al Azhar I already 3 times or 4 times, and in Al Ahl I already 2 times, in Al Azhar I already 1 time, Kriya Sunnah 1 times, and online 2 times. In Al Azhar maybe I already teach 500 people, and in Al Ahl 100 12 people.
Is that the best experience for becoming the trainer?
For my best experience is in online course, because in online course I get some money. I make a course with Mirza,
Mm-hmm.
online course. I already get 600,000
Oh,
from that course only 2 hour
when did you make it?
and holiday.
Oh, in
At
holiday.
home.
What is the project that you?
I make
Like-
catching fruit.
Oh, scratch.
Yes.
Oh,
Scratch
how
fruit.
many participants?
Only 5 or 10.
Oh, 5 or 10. Wow, 600,000.
Yeah.
So you divide to be two people.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and the next, where do you wanna continue your study after graduating from junior high school?
Okay, maybe for the next I will in Eden again for the senior high school. I take RPL or website developer
Mhm.
in IDN, because I wanna improve again my coding skill, and I wanna make a website for a big company, because I already joined a company like MGIT course. That's I make with Mirza Atala, Brother Najwan, for there's 4 people.
Is that course or
course?
you make a course
Yeah,
or you join a course?
make.
You make a course.
Yeah,
What's the name?
MGIT.
MGIT. Is there an Instagram?
Yeah, there's Instagram, LinkedIn, website, Facebook, and Twitter.
Oh, that's nice. So we can work together.
Yeah. there's-
After this, yeah, we can
Yes,
discuss more.
still good.
Okay, so two left, yeah, for the questions. What is your future and why?
Okay, my future is I wanna make a business startup, but in a programmer major. Like for the example, like I will make a course, but this is the formal course
Mhm.
that many people in Indonesia can join in this course and will make Indonesia more famous in other countries.
Oh, international.
Yeah, international.
You know, at the time, right? Because our rank is 64 from 65 countries,
Yeah.
right? So that's our that Hamburg, yeah, big Hamburg, to make Indonesia to be best country for the next. Okay, the last question is about last word. Yeah, any word for idea?
For IDN, IDN is the best school IT in Indonesia.
Okay, thank you very much, Pratama, for doing interview today. So it has passed well. And after this, you have to make a presentation about the project, yeah, 7 to 9 grade, and also the country that you want to visit in the future. Okay, thank you very much, yeah, for having interview with me today. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Tiga. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will make video about destination country. Okay, my destination country is South Korea. Okay, in this slide I will use 5W and 1H. What is 5W and 1H? For first is what, second when, the third where, the fourth who, and the fifth why, and the last is how. Okay, we start from what. What is South Korea? Okay, I will explain you about South Korea. South Korea, also known as the Republic of Korea, is a country in East Asia. It is located on the Korean Peninsula, sharing a border with North Korea. South Korea has a population of approximately 51 million people, and its capital city is Seoul. The country has a rich history and culture, known for its traditional arts, cuisine, and K-pop music. South Korea is also recognized for its technological advancement and is home to global companies such as Samsung and Hyundai. The country has a democratic government and a strong economy, with industries including electronic, automotive, shipbuilding, and entertainment. Okay. The second is when. When do I plan to go there? I plan to go there after I finish senior high school education in Indonesia. The third is where will I live there? Maybe I will live in South Korea. I would want to live in the capital city, namely Seoul. Okay, this is the picture of Seoul. Okay, next. Who is my idol there? My idol in South Korea is the inventor of the product that we often hear about, namely Samsung product, and the inventor of the product or brand was born and raised in Korea, namely Lee Byung-chul. Next is why I choose to go to South Korea, because I want to continue my education, namely college. And until now, South Korea is the country with the most advanced technology, and I dream of being able to study in Seoul National University (SNU). Why? Because it is one of the best universities in South Korea and has a strong reputation in the field of information technology. The Department of Computer Science at SNU offers comprehensive and innovative programs in the computer science and information technology. Okay, next, how do I prepare to go there? I will prepare very carefully so that I can experience what I have aspired to, and I will look for a full school scholarship because I estimate that the cost of living there is very expensive. Okay, the conclusion of my slide is I want to learn about information technology in South Korea because South Korea is the most advanced technology country. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.